Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing something that I've been talking about for a while. So recently I got this $100 Polaris Indy 600, and today we're going to be rebuilding it, like whole top end, like new pistons, rings, got the cylinders bored out, 0.050 over, new gasket set completely, just revamping a bunch of it. So that's basically what we're doing. It's gonna be hard to film it because it has a bunch of small parts, so I'm most likely just gonna throw a couple time lapses in, but that should work fine. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Okay, guys, take a good look at all these parts, because after we're done, it's gonna be an engine, not a pile of parts. When we're done, it'll be a snowmobile, not a pile of parts. So here we go. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, we got all three pistons in, got all the clips, roller bearings, the cylinders are cleaned out, the crankcase is cleaned out. Now all I have to do is set these piston rings in there, and then we can get on to installing the cylinder. Scrape a little bit of buildup off of the top of the cylinders, and then we can throw them on. So right now we are making a homemade piston ring compressor because it's really hard to compress these while trying to put the cylinder on at the same time. So that's basically what's going on, and I'll pick it up when we are putting the cylinder on. Alright, so it turned out to be an extremely hard process to get that cylinder head on. It's like, I don't know, 20 minutes later since I last picked the camera up, so there's no way I was filming that. But yeah, now it's just hopefully easy going from here. Now, time to throw on the head gasket, heads, and cap. To do is use a torque wrench, torque them down. Then we can get this on, that on, this on, everything else, exhaust, intake. Then the engine will be a little bit more close to complete. I'm gonna try to film a little more of it than just time lapses, just to make it a little more interesting. But I hope you're still watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks.
push against the other side. That. And then, I don't think so. I'm gonna go stop the movie.
That sound is so satisfying. Alright. Alright, so now what we gotta do is clean up this surface so that it seals and no coolant leaks out. So I'm gonna take a file to it, wire brush around there so the gasket can seat right, and try to take this extra paint off. Now, it is time to put this cover on and see what the engine looks like. So this will be your, and my first reaction. 3, 2, 1. Dude! Yo, that thing looks clean. Let me get a better angle where the light... This is Future Finn. Editing, this light is really pissing me off. It's not... That's sick! Oh man, I'm obviously gonna have to bolt that down, but wow, that looks good. And that's not even with the recoil starter on. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep grinding it out, throwing in some time lapses. Hope you make it through the rest of the video. So at this point, it was really late. I think it was like 10 something. I was tired, and it was a good stopping point, so I decided to go in and pick it up the next morning. Hey guys, so it is actually a couple days later. I haven't had time to go out, or I just haven't felt like coming out. So now we're going to start working on it and see if we can finish it up today. The things I have to do are get the carburetors on, attach the coils, fix the recoil starter, and I think that might be it. I also have to check that for leaks, because if that leaks, that's not good. So yeah, that's basically what we're going to be doing today, so let's get right into it. I know this isn't with the engine, but can we just take a minute to appreciate how good that looks? Let me turn the brightness down. Look at that. That looks good. Alright guys, so now we got the coils and the spark plug wires hooked up. Now I'm going to work on installing the carburetors, the recoil starter, and then we can put it back into the snowmobile. I've got all 3 carbs on. Now I can start working on the recoil starter. Okay, so I just got the water pump on and the recoil starter basket, the water pump pulley on. So now I gotta work on getting the recoil starter working again. I'm not gonna film that just because it's boring and I don't think you need to see it, but I will pick it up when that's done and we can keep working. Alright guys, so the engine is done and you'll see what it looks like right now. I'm really happy with the way this thing came out. It was a fun project, and I'd like to do more rebuilds on the channel. But for now, it's done. Well, the engine's complete, and the main parts are on. I need to get filters, new pull cord. I need to see if this thing leaks, and do a couple other small maintenance. But for the most part, it is done. So I really hope you enjoyed. It was fun for me. Come on, hair. But I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys. So I'm done editing the video that you just saw, and I really thought about how much time and effort I put into it, and I just want to say thank you for the support and just commenting nice things, liking the video. Even though I'm not getting anything out of it, it's just nice to see that people are liking what I'm doing. So if you want to give it a like, that'd be greatly appreciated. As with subscribing, you don't have to if you don't want, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.